think coming to these conferences and making quantum leaps and seeing a difference in my business.
Get me back on track to implement the system.
The information is it's always at the cutting edge.
Turn off your phone, pull out a notepad, and really take notes. It's where the innovation takes place. It's like combining 3 years of coaching into 3 days.
We're going to bring you, myself, Craig Proctor, we're going to go right at this and make these 3 days full of generating an overflow of business and converting more of those prospects to lifetime customers.
You're hearing things firsthand before the rest of the market even knows about them.
My goal is set at simply 10 transactions more before the next conference from something I implemented from the conference. In my market, that equals $75,000.
You could add 100,000, even more in GCI.